Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a friendly neighborhood trader Arkan. I hope you're doing well. This is the monthly reading for Pisces or Meen Rashi for the month of October 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Pisces or Meen Rashi for the month of October 2025. Sun, Moon, Rising. So Pisces. Well, first of all, for the theme of the month, you do get the Hierophant. So yeah, I see. Okay, first of all, a marriage is on the cards for many of you. And for those of you who are not planning to get married or remarried, so for you, I see you getting spiritual guidance. I see you finding someone who is going to guide you this month, who is going to help you overcome your problems, overcome your issues, and also help you grow spiritually. I see this person or this figure coming into your life, not just out of pure coincidence, but this person is kind of sent by the universe towards you, mainly because this is the moment in your life where you need this guidance, this person in your life, this wisdom coming into your life, because the energy that surrounds you is the Judgment. So there is definitely a divine guidance, divine opportunity coming your way, so that you can grow yourself, develop and start a new journey, start afresh, start in a more upgraded kind of manner. So जैसे जैसे ये मंथ शुरू होने वाला है, इनका एक्चुअली द हायरोफेंट, अगर आप हिंदी में कहें, इट बेसिकली मीन्स अ गुरु, अ मेंटर. सो ये मेंटर आपके लाइफ में आने वाले हैं, ये आपको गाइड करने वाले हैं. गुरु डजंट literally mean a guru. It can be a figure who is more spiritually advanced than you, who is there to guide you. Could be your father, could be your mother, could be a friend, or could be someone completely new, a stranger. But this person is definitely going to come into your life to help you grow. We will get into this as we go along, but let's look at the other energies. Now, for your career and finances, I see you doing well. I see you getting help. This person could relate to that energy of getting help at your workplace, getting help in your finances. For people who are investing, who are in stocks, in shares, or people who are like, if you're expecting to get some return, some profit, I definitely see it coming in your way this month. I also see there is an exchange of energy with a person, from someone who is could be your boss, could be a senior, or could be a someone who is in a better position than you in the workplace, in your career, and that person is definitely going to help you. It's going to guide you. For some of you, this could also mean, like, if you're expecting to get a loan of some kind, if you have applied for a loan, I see it getting approved this month. And I also see that financial help is gonna come your way this month. Now, when it comes to your love and relationships, very good energies with the Knight of Cups. So I see action here. If you guys are, like, if some of you guys are planning to approach someone, to propose to someone, to express your feelings towards someone, this card is the best card to have when it comes to love and relationship, because there is definitely action. कोई चीज़ है जिसके तरफ आपने डिसीजन ले लिया है कि मेरे को मुझे उस तरफ अप्रोच करना है, आई नीड टू अप्रोच दिस feeling, this emotion, this person, and I see you taking action towards it, because there is definitely lot of love and feeling inside you that you want to express to this person. Now for if you're married, I definitely see you or your partner. This could be either of you, but I definitely see a person approaching with a lot of things. Like if there is issues in your relationship, in your marriage, like you guys are not connecting well, you guys are not, haven't talked in a while, haven't resolved issues, there is lack of communication, then this card signifies that those things are gonna get resolved. Your partner is gonna come towards you with a lot of love, with a lot of emotions, and is definitely going to try to resolve a lot of things. This is a very emotionally driven kind of energy, so a lot of emotions will be involved here, positive emotions. Now, when it comes to your health, I would suggest you take caution. I would suggest you take rest, because you do get the strength card. So this comes to you as an advice. You need to start rebuilding your strength. You need to start focusing on that inner strength of yours. क्योंकि ये जो मंथ है, इसमें आपको वो स्ट्रेंथ का ज़रूरत होगा टू ओवरकम योर हेल्थ इश्यूज. आई ऑल्सो हाईली सजेस्ट दैट इफ यू फील लाइक यू नीड टू गेट प्रोफेशनल हेल्प, डेफिनेटली गेट दैट, बिकॉज नेग्लिजेंस से यहाँ पे काम नहीं करने वाला है. यू नीड टू प्रायोरिटाइज योर हेल्थ दिस मंथ. नाउ द अदर एनर्जीज दैट इज देयर, आई डेफिनेटली सी अगेन एक्शन इज देयर. कोई चीज़ तो है जिसको लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा एक्शन होने वाला है, but there is definitely action and also fast communication coming your way, and this communication, like the energy shows me that this communication or this news, whatever it is coming your way, and the moment it reaches you, the moment you get the news, get the information, you are going to start something new. You are going to explore new areas, whatever it might be, but I see you exploring new areas. And eventually, in the long run, like as the month goes on, I see you finally getting to a more stable position, a more balanced position this month, whatever the sector is. But you are going to develop a sense of curiosity. You are going to try to understand some things. You are going to, I see you being very, curious about something. This, for some of you, this could be financial, but for others, it might not be. But whatever it is, you are going to start slowly with baby steps. And as the month goes on, I see you getting success. I see you, growing in the past. There is definitely growth. And because coming back to your theme for the month with the Hierophant, this growth will be driven by this person, this mentor who is going to come into your life this month. So yeah, very good reading for you. Now the energy that you should focus upon is the Six of Wands. So see, like I said, there is a lot of help coming your way. There is mentorship coming your way. People are going to guide you. People are going to help you. People are going to exchange energies with you, and definitely this in the process. This is the entire reading is like a process. It keeps on going, and as the month goes on, there is definitely action, there is growth and progress. And the moment you get that growth, the moment you get that progress, I see you getting recognition with the Six of Wands. So a very good energies. And this could also mean for some of you that if there is something that you want to achieve, if there is a goal that you want to achieve this month, this reading suggests you to work towards it. And the moment you start working towards it, you are definitely going to get it. So this is a very positive sign to come at the end of the reading. So yeah, keep your focus, keep driving yourself, and keep the action going. You're definitely going to get the rewards at the end of the month. Now let's look at what messages or advice is coming for you from the Oracle cards this month, Pisces. Sorry, I'm a bit clumsy today. I don't know why. So yeah, let's look at what messages or advice is coming your way this month from the oracle cards. Yeah, you get individuality. So every person has their own personalized study plan in this Earth school. So you need to focus on your individuality, because you can't achieve success, you can't grow by following in other footsteps. You need to maintain your individuality. You need to focus on your individuality. What is unique to you? What is your USP? What what is it that separates you from the lot? So focus on that and focus on the action. Your action, whatever you are gonna take this month, should be driven, should be focused by your individuality, by your uniqueness, and that is the way you are gonna get this Six of Wands energy at the end of the month. So Pisces, very good reading. I'm very happy with the reading, and that would be all for you. If you like the reading, do like the video and leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.